Ghana was the first West African nation to be connected to the internet in 1994, but access to the web is still limited. In the capital, Accra, training in computer technology and the internet is now part of the school curriculum. European students have greater access to computers, but until now there's been little opportunity for schools around the world to communicate directly and use technology to broaden international understanding. In Ghana, the Global Teenager Project focuses on the use of computer technology to connect local and international students and teachers via the internet.
The project seeks to empower young people to have access to ICT, information communication technology education. And through this, we've been involved in a lot of training programs for students and teachers, and how to use the basic software.
It's all about students being connected, a bottom-up student-driven way of learning, and about 300 schools in over 34 countries are at this moment connected in learning circles and understanding diversity, and students are learning together.
The big idea is called a learning circle. It's designed to help students use the internet to communicate with others around the world. They start by opening the circle with a chat session and sending their first introduction email, the hello letter.
Then in the hello letters, you introduce yourself as the teacher for that group to the other teachers in the other groups. Then you guide the students also to write a class hello letter.
The Learning Circle means emailing other students in different countries and exploring issues like the environment and human rights. In the process, students learn technical skills as well as a diverse range of viewpoints. During the 10 weeks of the Learning Circle, students gather all the information and research they found about their chosen topic. It's a two-way process between students around the world.
We normally work in a group. We all come together, share ideas, get something like a memo. Then one person goes to type them out to our colleagues outside this country.
I learned from Ghana that that it was a total different country as I expected, because I thought that they didn't do anything about the environment, but they do. They help it and do a lot of things to make it a good one.
The best research is then selected to go onto a website that the children will be taught to design and build. The Morning Star Secondary School in Accra was selected as Ghana's best participant in the Learning Circle and qualified to build a website.
We went through a learning circle and we were first. So we went for a little bit of training, about 3 days, and then we were asked to use the next, I think, 5 weeks to design the website for the school, and we came out second.
It's sustainable education and cultural awareness, because students are not being taught about the subject, but they're learning together, and they are trying to understand the different perspectives to one item. One school will ask a question and the other schools will answer the question from their own country's perspective.